This is your GMP Minute with Kevin Wall. What are your responsibilities when your CMO has a deviation? You may think that since you outsource everything, it is solely up to your CMO and your quality agreement covers you. While the quality agreement defines a CMO's responsibilities, you cannot delegate your responsibility to ensure the drug product is safe, effective, and conforms to specification and regulatory commitments. Your review of the deviation ensures the event was appropriately defined and investigated. The product impact must be assessed. You should ensure the CMO appropriately controlled the material and extended to any other material that could have been affected. If the deviation affected material in the clinic, you will have to make a decision on what to do. Ultimately, you are responsible for the disposition of the product. You decide if it's released, reprocessed, or rejected. Cincero can help implement vendor controls tailored to your business model. Follow us and subscribe, and don't miss a GMP Minute.